My name is John Robinson, and I've been a client for many years. I had some old hearing aids, and I lost one, and got a very suitable replacement. Prompt service, really quick, and thorough instructions about how to use it. So you know how upsetting it is when you don't have your hearing aids with you, but I was provided a backup substitute for the missing one until the new one came. And I'm looking forward to getting a referral to North Carolina in about 6 months when I move there. Fortunately, this franchise, Dr. Thorne, is well informed, already had somebody in mind who had been one of her top interns. So I'm very well satisfied with the service here. Everybody is pleasant, polite, prompt, and knowledgeable. And we need all of those, not just one or two. So I heartily endorse this franchise.